Willie J. Smooth Food. All right, now I'm about to get into my main event, the main entree. These are these golden crabs. Look at it. Look how big they are. It's gonna go down. Look at this meat right here. Okay, these are so sweet and garlicky. I mean, the garlic is like, woo! Now, unlike snow crabs where you can break them and you can snap them and the meat come out, these definitely are not like that. You have to really do work with these to get the meat out. I have to peel it out. You see that meat right there? You have the meat right over here. Everybody is just so sweet and garlicky. These are so good. To me, of course, Alaskan king crabs are the best. They're indigenous. But these right here are right next to Alaskan king crabs. I mean, just the meat, how sweet and how fresh they are. Amazing. And I know a lot of people like, they gave you a mallet. Why was the mallet? Look, I don't have time for that right now. And this right here, I never in my life use this. Get out of here. I'm on the old-fashioned way. I'm a bite handful of grease. I don't have nothing about that. Amazing.